11 deadly mistakes with garlic that your doctor hides from you. Have you ever wondered why some people have amazing results with garlic, while others suffer devastating side effects? What if I told you that there is an age-old secret about garlic consumption that the pharmaceutical industry doesn't want you to find out? Are you wasting all the medicinal potential of this superfood because of basic mistakes that could be easily avoided? Garlic is considered one of nature's most powerful foods, used by ancient civilizations such as the Egyptians, Greeks, and Romans, not only as a spice, but as a natural remedy for various ailments. Modern studies confirm that garlic has properties that can completely transform your health when consumed correctly. However, most people make serious mistakes when incorporating this food into their diet, negating its benefits, and even putting their health at risk. And the scariest thing, you're probably making a lot of these mistakes without even realizing it. Let's get started. Mistake 1. The hidden danger of eating garlic on an empty stomach that can land you in the hospital. Consuming raw garlic on an empty stomach may seem like a great idea to maximize its medicinal benefits. Many health influencers on the internet recommend this practice as a morning hack. However, what they don't tell you is that this practice can trigger a series of serious digestive complications. Raw garlic contains highly potent sulfuric compounds that, in direct contact with the empty stomach mucosa, can cause severe irritation. This irritation can evolve into acute gastritis or even ulcers in predisposed people, turning their natural remedy into a real poison. Studies published in the Journal of Medicinal Food demonstrate that garlic, when consumed on an empty stomach, can increase gastric acid production by up to 70%. For people with sensitive stomachs, this poses a significant risk of developing painful inflammatory conditions. The expert's recommendation is clear. Always consume garlic after meals, never on an empty stomach. This allows the active compounds to be absorbed gradually, without harming your digestive system. But that's not all. The next mistake could be literally thinning your blood without you even realizing it. Mistake 2. The lethal combination of garlic and medicines that no one warns you about. Did you know that garlic has natural anticoagulant properties that can interact dangerously with blood-thinning medications? This information is rarely divulged by natural remedy enthusiasts, but it can literally save lives. Allicin, the main active compound in garlic, has a scientifically proven anticoagulant effect. When combined with medications such as aspirin, warfarin, or clopidogrel, it can excessively potentiate its effects. This dangerous interaction significantly increases the risk of internal and external bleeding that is difficult to control. Researchers at the University of Maryland found that consuming just 2 cloves of garlic daily, along with blood thinners, can increase clotting time by up to 30%, creating a potentially life-threatening condition. Patients who make regular use of anticoagulant medications should consult their doctor before incorporating garlic into their regular diet. The recommendation can range from drastically reducing consumption to eliminating it completely, depending on each specific case. Never underestimate the power of drug interactions with seemingly harmless foods like garlic. What your doctor probably never mentioned is that how you consume garlic makes all the difference. Read on to find out why. Mistake 3. The shocking truth about the forms of garlic that can change your health. Many people mistakenly believe that all forms of garlic offer the same health benefits, but nothing could be further from the truth. Fresh garlic, powdered garlic, and processed supplements have completely different nutritional and therapeutic profiles. Fresh garlic, when minced or crushed and left to stand for at least 10 minutes, produces allicin in its most potent form. This compound is extremely sensitive to heat and begins to degrade quickly after cooking. Studies conducted by Cornell University have revealed that commercial garlic powder may contain only 10% of the bioactive compounds found in fresh garlic, a shocking difference that few consumers are aware of. Processed garlic supplements, on the other hand, vary enormously in quality and potency. Some are virtually useless, while others use stabilization technologies that preserve the active compounds. For cardiovascular and immune benefits, the ideal is to consume crushed fresh garlic, added to food at the end of preparation. For those seeking convenience, Only supplements with scientifically proven, stabilized allicin are recommended. But beware, the next mistake could be destroying your digestive system as you read these lines. Mistake 4. The garlic digestive trap that silently destroys your stomach. People with pre-existing gastrointestinal conditions often ignore the warning signs when consuming garlic regularly. This error can significantly aggravate problems such as irritable bowel syndrome, gastroesophageal reflux disease, and chronic gastritis. Garlic, especially when consumed raw, contains irritating compounds that increase the production of acid in the stomach and can damage the intestinal mucosa. For individuals with Crohn's disease or ulcerative colitis, consuming garlic can trigger painful and prolonged flare-ups. Gastroenterologists at the Mayo Clinic documented cases in which regular garlic consumption aggravated GERD symptoms in 85% of the patients studied, an alarming number that should serve as a wake-up call. If you suffer from any digestive condition, it is critical to test your tolerance to garlic gradually and under medical supervision. Less aggressive forms, such as roasted or fermented garlic, may be safer alternatives to get some benefits without the side effects. Never ignore signs such as heartburn, abdominal pain, or diarrhea after consuming garlic-containing foods. Your body is sending a clear message that should not be neglected in the name of the possible benefits. And if you think you're storing your garlic correctly, the next mistake might completely surprise you. Mistake 5. The storage mistake that turns garlic into poison inside your home. The way you store garlic may be turning this superfood into a danger to your family without you even suspecting it. Storing garlic in oil at room temperature creates the perfect environment for the growth of the bacterium Clostridium botulinum, which produces botulinum toxin. This toxin is one of the most potent known to science and can cause botulism, a potentially fatal condition that affects the nervous system. The oxygen-free environment created by the oil, combined with the moisture of the garlic, provides ideal conditions for bacterial proliferation. The FDA reports that 25% of cases of food-borne botulism in the United States are related to improper storage of garlic in oil, an alarming statistic that few consumers are aware of. Fresh garlic should be stored in a dry, ventilated place at room temperature, never in closed containers that accumulate moisture. Preparations of garlic in oil should be refrigerated and used within a maximum of 1 week, or immediately frozen in small portions. Commercially, garlic in oil undergoes acidification processes to prevent bacterial growth, something impossible to replicate safely at home. Never underestimate the risks of food poisoning associated with improper garlic storage, as the consequences can be devastating. But that's not all. There are food combinations that can completely negate the benefits of garlic. Mistake 6. The forbidden mixtures with garlic that harm your body without you realizing it. Certain food combinations can completely neutralize the benefits of garlic, or even create compounds that are potentially harmful to the body. Mixing garlic with iron-rich foods, such as red meat, can significantly reduce the absorption of this essential mineral. The sulfur compounds in garlic have the ability to bind to iron, forming complexes that the body cannot process efficiently. For people with iron deficiency anemia, this interaction can aggravate their condition, even if unconsciously. Researchers at Columbia University's Institute of Nutrition found that simultaneous consumption of garlic and iron-rich foods can reduce the absorption of this mineral by up to 60%, a devastating effect for those already suffering from deficiencies. Similarly, combining garlic with dairy products can significantly decrease the availability of its bioactive sulfur compounds. Milk proteins can bind to allicin, reducing its bioavailability, and consequently, its therapeutic effects. To maximize the cardiovascular and immune benefits of garlic, avoid consuming it along with dairy products, or just before or after them. These food interactions are rarely discussed, but they can make all the difference between getting all the benefits of garlic or none at all. Now, get ready to find out how the timing of preparation may be sabotaging both the taste and medicinal benefits of your garlic. Mistake 7. Chef's a secret to the exact moment of garlic that will revolutionize your dishes. The timing of when you add garlic during food preparation can determine not only its taste, but also its nutritional and medicinal value. Most people make the crucial mistake of adding garlic at the beginning of cooking, along with other ingredients like onions. This common practice destroys virtually all of the bioactive compounds in garlic, as well as producing a bitter and unpleasant taste. Prolonged heat quickly degrades allicin and other sulfur compounds, turning their natural remedy into a simple spice with no therapeutic properties. Professional chefs and nutritionists agree that adding garlic only in the last 10 minutes of cooking preserves up to 70% of its medicinal compounds, as well as providing a more refined and aromatic flavor to dishes. For slow cooking recipes, such as stews and sauces, reserve a portion of the garlic to add in the final stages of preparation. This ensures that you get both the developed flavor of the cooked garlic and the benefits of the preserved bioactive compounds. For salads and cold dishes, let minced or crushed garlic sit for 10 to 15 minutes before incorporating it, maximizing allicin formation. This simple change in the order of preparation can revolutionize not only the taste of your meals, but also their health benefits. However, many people avoid garlic altogether for a surprisingly simple reason. Find out below. Mistake 8. How fear of bad breath is preventing you from achieving iron health. The fear of bad breath leads many people to completely eliminate garlic from their diet, giving up its powerful medicinal benefits. This common mistake represents an unfair trade-off between scientifically proven health benefits and a temporary social concern. The bad breath caused by garlic occurs due to the sulfur compounds that, ironically, are the same responsible for its therapeutic effects. These compounds are absorbed into the blood and released by the lungs during breathing, a process that cannot be completely eliminated with oral hygiene. Studies at Ohio University have shown that the same compounds responsible for garlic's distinctive odor are able to reduce the risk of certain cancers by up to 50%, making social stigma a small price to pay for health. There are, however, effective strategies to minimize bad breath without giving up the benefits of garlic. Consuming apple, lettuce, or mint leaves after eating garlic can significantly neutralize the odor, thanks to the polyphenolic and chlorophyll compounds present in these foods. Aged garlic supplements are another alternative, as they offer many of the benefits without causing the characteristic odor. Don't let a temporary aesthetic concern deprive you of one of nature's most potent medicinal foods. But beware, the next mistake could turn your natural remedy into deadly poison. Mistake 9. The exact dose of garlic that separates the medicine from the poison in your body. Many people blindly follow the principle that if a little is good, a lot will do better, especially when it comes to medicinal foods like garlic. This dangerous thought can turn a therapeutic food into a toxic substance for the body when consumed in excess. Excessive consumption of garlic can cause severe irritation of the digestive tract, burning, nausea, and even vomiting in extreme cases. For people with sensitive digestive systems, abuse can trigger episodes of gastrointestinal bleeding, especially when combined with other gastric irritants. Toxicologists at the University of Washington have established that doses greater than 5 cloves of garlic per day can cause damage to the gastric mucosa in healthy individuals, as well as interfere with the absorption of essential medications. Too much garlic can also cause adverse reactions such as headaches, fatigue, low blood pressure, and blood clotting problems. For most healthy adults, the ideal intake is between 1 and 2 cloves of garlic per day, preferably divided between meals. This amount is enough to obtain cardiovascular, immunological, and anti-inflammatory benefits without significant risks. Always remember that even the healthiest foods can become harmful when consumed without moderation. The next mistake is particularly dangerous and often ignored, even by healthcare professionals. Mistake 10. The signs of garlic allergy that you mistake for other diseases. Allergic reactions to garlic are much more common than you might think, affecting up to 3% of the world's population. Surprisingly, many people who are allergic to garlic go years without a diagnosis, mistaking their symptoms for other health conditions. Symptoms can range from mild manifestations, such as itchy mouth and throat, to severe reactions such as hives, difficulty breathing, and anaphylaxis. People with allergies to other plants in the Liliaceae family, such as onions, leeks, and chives, are more likely to develop garlic allergies. Allergists at the University of Michigan Medical Center have identified that 70% of people with garlic allergies never receive a formal diagnosis, mistakenly attributing their symptoms to food intolerances or digestive problems. If you experience symptoms such as lip swelling, itchy tongue or throat, severe heartburn, or rashes after consuming garlic-containing foods, seek an allergist. Specific tests can confirm the allergy and prevent more serious complications in the future, including anaphylactic shock in severe cases. People diagnosed with garlic allergy should carry adrenaline autoinjectors if the sensitivity is severe. Never ignore lingering signals after consuming certain foods. Your body is communicating something important that shouldn't be overlooked. And finally, the most dangerous mistake of all that can cost you your life. Mistake 11. The mortal danger of replacing your medicines with the miracle of garlic. The excessive enthusiasm for garlic's medicinal properties leads some people to make a potentially fatal mistake: abandoning conventional medical treatments. This dangerous decision, often influenced by misinformation on the internet, can aggravate health conditions and even lead to tragic outcomes. Although garlic has proven antimicrobial, anti-inflammatory, and cardiovascular properties, its effects are complementary, never a substitute for medical treatments. Conditions such as hypertension, diabetes, serious bacterial infections, or cardiovascular disease require professional medical intervention and appropriate medications. The World Health Organization warns that replacing prescription drugs with natural remedies is among the top 5 causes of preventable complications in chronic diseases, resulting in thousands of hospitalizations annually. Garlic should be seen as a valuable complement to healthy eating and conventional treatments, never as a substitute. Always consult your doctor before incorporating garlic or any supplement in medicinal amounts into your treatment regimen. The responsible integration between conventional medicine and healthy eating practices represents the safest and most effective path to full health. Remember, even the most powerful foods have limitations when it comes to treating established diseases or complex medical conditions. The power of garlic when used correctly. Now that you know the most serious mistakes related to garlic consumption, you are prepared to take advantage of all its benefits safely and effectively. Garlic, when used correctly, can be a powerful ally in strengthening your immune system and promoting cardiovascular health. Always remember that knowledge is the first step to transforming any medicinal food into a true healing agent for your body. Incorporate garlic into your diet consciously, respecting the particularities of your body and your specific health conditions. The true power of medicinal foods lies not only in consuming them, but in knowing exactly how, when, and in what quantity to do so. Share this information with your friends and family, as life-saving knowledge deserves to be spread. The next time you prepare a meal with garlic, remember the principles learned today and turn this simple ingredient into a powerful ally of your health. Ancestral wisdom combined with modern science offers us the best of both worlds when it comes to therapeutic feeding. Make informed choices, respect your body's limits, and always consult qualified professionals for personalized guidance. Your health deserves this care and attention. After all, what could be more valuable than living with vitality and well-being?